Hello, my name is Allie and I'm an education major. And today I'm going to be talking to you about whether or not abortion should be legal. First off, to get us started, let's define abortion. Abortion is the deliberate termination of a human pregnancy. Most often, the abortion is performed during the first 28 weeks of the pregnancy. If you were to do the math here, 28 weeks is approximately 6.44 months. In other words, that's nearly 6.5 months along in a pregnancy. A pregnancy is only 9 months. At this point in the pregnancy, the unborn baby has developed many features. To get us started, I'm going to go month by month to tell you what the baby has developed. In month 1, this is called the fertilization month. It's the joining of the father's sperm with the mother's egg. That is when life begins. Fertilization can occur within minutes of intercourse or 2 to 3 days afterwards. Between weeks 3 and 4, 18 to 25 days, the developing baby's heart begins to beat. The arm and the leg buds begin to form. This is when the face, the eyes, the ears, the nose, and the mouth begins to take form as well. During month 2, brain waves are also detected. The heart is bulging and the blood circulation has been established. The liver, the pancreas, the lung, and the stomach are now being developed. The baby's genitals are also present, but they cannot be seen at this point on an ultrasound. In month 3, your baby can smile and make funny faces. He or she can also practice breathing the amniotic fluid in and out of the lungs. All 20 teeth are formed and waiting to develop once the baby is born. Your baby is now approximately 1 ounce in weight, as in the placenta. The pancreas has now also started making insulin. At this point in the pregnancy, we're only halfway, and look what all your baby has already developed. Month 4. Your baby is now about 8 inches tall from head to toe. Baby movements can now be felt by his or her mother. He or she can also suck the thumb. The fingernails are now well formed and often need to be trimmed at birth because they have grown so long. The baby is also emptying his or her bladder every 40 to 45 minutes. Fingerprints from the baby can also be made and detected. At month 5, the baby's body now can shift to a head-down fetal position in preparation for its birth in a couple of months. The baby's eyebrows have started to develop. Also, fine hair that begins to appear on the baby's body has now begun to grow. At month 6, his or her hand coordination has also increased, and the baby can now move its thumb in the opposite of the fingers. Eyes are now open, though the baby is still in darkness. Little deposits of fat, which retain heat, begin to form. The uterus allows some light to be seen, so the baby begins to distinguish between light and darkness. On the opposing side, some people would argue that they are pro-choice, and some of their arguments include: the child was raped. I don't want this baby because it's going to ruin my life. I'm too young. I'm only 12, 13, 14, however young you may be. I can't support us both. I'm in college. I can barely support myself. Well, abortion is legal. This pregnancy was an accident. I don't want to get in trouble for my parents. And the last excuse I will name is inside of me is just a ball of tissue, and it's not a baby yet. And to say that is so far from the truth. In the past 6 months, your baby has developed so many features, so I do believe I just proved that point to be wrong. According to the teachings of Jesus Christ, whom which I follow, he states in Proverbs 6:16 through 19, there are 6 things the Lord hates, 7 that are undistable to him: haughty eyes, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that plans wicked schemes, feet that are quick to rush to evil, a false witness who pours out lies, and a person who stirs up conflict in the community. Like I stated in Proverbs 6:16 through 19, it says, "Hands that shed innocent blood are an abomination to him." What's more innocent than an unborn baby? Thank you.